besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Today's vlog, I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be making a lunch for my family. And guess what? Today I'm making tuna with rice, as you're going to see in the video. So if you want to learn the recipe, please continue watching. I've already sliced everything: tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. I've already done everything. I'm just going to fry them. So in my onion and ginger, I'm going to add cinnamon, bay leaf, coriander and lime, and then tomato paste. After everything, I added my bell peppers and tomatoes, as you can see, you guys. For spices, I added salt, black pepper, turmeric, curry, and cumin. So here I'm removing water from the tuna because I don't like that water for some reason. I don't know why. And then I'm going to be mixing everything together so that we can get the sauce that I'm going to be putting together with my rice. My rice is ready. It is just white rice. You guys, I just boiled it. Everything is ready. Right now I'm going to serve my rice. First thing first, I serve the people who works outside at the mosque and the one who works in the compound. So I decided to add on top of my rice a saffron, that is like food color. That's what I'm adding on the top of the rice. Cooking is done. I've served the food and right now I'm just going to clean the gas stove because I don't like to leave the stove with like oil or anything. Even when I'm cooking, I'm always cleaning, so I don't want to see like oily things. I don't know if I'm normal or if there's anyone who is like me. I don't like dirty stuff, so I'm just going to clean the stove. I'm not washing it. I'm going to wash it at night. Right now, because we still need to cook dinner, this is lunch, so I'm just going to clean it, and then after that at night, that's when I'm going to wash everything. But for now, I'm just going to clean the top with the Dettol, the spray, and then cleaning the table and clean everything, wash the plates, and so that the kitchen can look very clean. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family. You are most welcome. And if you have been a bestie since day one, thank you so much for sticking by. Thank you for always showing up for your girl. I really appreciate you so much.
Yeah. I'm just in the club, sitting sideways, waiting, looking all the time. Time gets a ticking and it takes a toll. Told you I couldn't really draw the line. Line ringing, saying that you told him things that you could have kept inside. Sidetracking me when I was good to you. You were somebody I was stand behind. I know you like to drink till the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all.
So right now I'm washing the utensils. They are not that much, they are not too much, but the most thing is the saucepans. Guys, I hate washing the saucepans, but for the plates and cups and everything, I'm okay with it. But the saucepans, they make me so angry, you guys. But anyways, I'm the one who used them to cook, so I need to wash them. Hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Guess what, you guys, I got a new wig and I'm going to show you guys. I got it from Kaye Beauty, a Ugandan wig brand based in UAE. So she sells wigs. She just started, she's new in the business. So I will put her number here on the screen so that you can go and check it out, or if you want a wig you can talk to her and she will deliver, you guys. She delivers also in Uganda, also in UAE. So I already opened the wig and I was doing a TikTok video. I was doing unboxing on TikTok and the wig is here, you guys. One thing I've loved about it is that it is so heavy, you guys. It's heavy and it has like, let me show you guys. So this is the wig, you guys. As you can see, this is how it looks like. It's heavy, you guys. It's not like the one I got from Timu. That one is in the dustbin, guys. It has this like, it has like this rubber. It's for tying your back so that it doesn't fall, and it's so big, you guys. It's so big and tight. It has also this these pins where you can pin in your hair so that it can protect your wig from falling from your head. So I think I'm going to cut off this here, yeah, but I don't know. I'm going to watch a YouTube video of how to cut it off. You guys, I'm new to these things, so I'm going to cut this off and then I will rock it, guys. I will come when it's all together, because I need to also comb this one so that it can come down like this. Yeah, like straighten it so that the hair can come together. So this is it, you guys. This is the wig. This is the inside of the wig. Let me show you. This is the inside of the wig, as you can see. I love it, you guys. I love it. The one from Timu, like, you can see the difference. The one from Timu, it was so light and it was folding. I have been holding this wig, but nothing has, like, there's nothing on the floor. So that is the difference. Yeah, your girl has a new wig, you guys. I can't wait to rock it, you guys. Yeah, I just wanted to come and show you my new wig, you guys. And if you have enjoyed the video, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.